I whisper, Amaro mio. It was just a phrase that I heard in plays. I was acting a part. But now when I whisper, Amaro mio, can't you tell I care by the feeling there? 'Cause it comes from my heart. I want you ever. I love my darling, wanting to hold you and hold you tight. Amaro mio, love me forever and let forever begin tonight. And let forever begin tonight. And let forever begin tonight.